Hello guys, in this part we're going to create a crosshair to add to our main screen. So later on we will be able to aim using our weapons. This crosshair is going to be dynamic in the future. For now we are going just to create the crosshair, but later on we're going to make it dynamic, which means that while we continuously firing, we're going to lose accuracy. But this is going to be the case in later episodes. So let's begin. This part is going to be straightforward and pretty simple. Let's go to widgets. Let's right click, go to user interface and create a new widget blueprint, which I'm going to call Crosshair, and open it up. Okay, now first of all I'm going to right click this canvas panel and wrap it with a size box. Then I'm going to go to the screen size, now fill screen, desired on screen, right click the size box and wrap it with a scale box. Okay, now for the size box I want fill horizontally and vertically, and override the width and height for 300. Okay. All right. In this box, we're going to create our crosshair, which is pretty simple. Go to palette and search for image. Drag it in our canvas panel. Now, I am going to rename this to U for up, and I'm going to change the anchor to middle. And now for position, I'm going to put here 0, minus 150 is fine, 20 and 100. And I want the alignment on X to be 0.5. Okay. Now right click this and duplicate it. Let's rename it D for down. And now I'm going to put 0, 50 and 2100 is fine. Right click and duplicate again and rename this L for left. And here I want minus 150, 0, 120, and change the alignment to 0 and 0.5 on Y. Now right click this and duplicate it, and I am going to name this R for right, and I am only going to change this to 50 and this to 0. So now I have a beautiful and pretty simple crosshair. Later on we're going to move these right and left and these up and down so we can simulate a dynamic crosshair. Let's go Control Z to undo these two movements. So this is our crosshair. Compile it and save it. Let's go back to our widgets folder and double click our main screen, and let's add this crosshair we made into our main screen. So search here for crosshair and drag it over here. As you can imagine, this is pretty big, so let's fix this. Let's change the anchor to middle, position X 0, 0 on Y, and size I want 60 by 60, and alignment 0.5 and 0.5. So now we have a beautiful crosshair in the middle of our screen. Let's compile and save, and if I hit play, as you can see, we have our beautiful crosshair in the middle of our screen. All right, which moves up and down as we go round and round. All right. Okay. So with this, we're going to aim in the future. Okay. All right. So that was it. It was a pretty simple part. I believe it didn't have anything special, but we had to do this in order to move on. So till the next time, thank you for watching, subscribe, write me anything you want in the comments, and see you out, guys. Be fine.